Imagine eating dessert and still losing weight. Yes, it's possible. Stay tuned. I'm showing 5 high-protein desserts that melt fat, not your diet. If you love sweet treats but hate extra calories, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for healthy hacks every week. Here's the secret. Protein keeps you full longer, boosts metabolism, and helps preserve muscle while you lose fat. That means desserts like chocolate mousse can actually help your weight loss goals if they're packed with protein instead of sugar. Yeah, this isn't your grandma's sugar bomb. I'll show you the magic formula in a second. First, the protein mug cake. Just 3 ingredients: 1 scoop protein powder, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon oats. Mix, microwave for 60 seconds, and boom, a fluffy, guilt-free cake. Sprinkle dark chocolate chips on top for an extra indulgence. It tastes like dessert heaven. Next, Greek yogurt parfait. High in protein, full of flavor, and layered with berries and a bit of granola, it's like eating a sundae that fuels your body. Breakfast or dessert, this is a win-win for your sweet tooth and waistline. Craving ice cream? Make a protein ice cream. Frozen bananas, protein powder, a splash of almond milk. Blend, freeze, and enjoy creamy, frosty perfection. Pro tip: freeze 2 hours for a firmer, scoopable texture. No guilt, all taste. Brownies without guilt? Yes. Chocolate protein. Brownies. Mix protein powder, almond flour, cocoa, and a touch of honey. Bake 15 minutes. And you've got fudgy brownies that help burn fat. Snack attack? Solved. And finally, protein peanut butter cups. Melt protein chocolate, fill molds with peanut butter, freeze. Perfect for post-workout or evening treat. 1 bite satisfies cravings without derailing your diet. Quick bonus tips to maximize results. Swap sugar for natural sweeteners like stevia. Portion control. Even healthy desserts can add up. Add a scoop of protein to everyday treats like pancakes or oatmeal. You can eat desserts daily if you adjust your meals. Pair with protein-rich meals and don't skip workouts. Satisfy cravings without gaining fat. If you love these desserts, smash that like button, share this video with friends, and subscribe for more guilt-free recipes. Remember, losing weight doesn't mean giving up sweets. With the right ingredients, dessert can actually help you reach your goals. Try these, comment your favorite below, and I'll see you in the next video.